Hey guys, it's Eric from BDO Furniture. I've been looking to put together a corner desk for a long time and my boss has supplied me with the Ergo-Rise electric corner desk. This one here is already built, so let's get into work mode and build one ourselves. Let's go. First thing we need to do is take everything out of the box and lay it out on the ground to double check that everything was packed in correctly. Now, first we also need to know the tools we need to use. We need a Stanley knife, please be safe. And a Phillips head screwdriver, or if you don't have one of those, one of these bad boys. Let's go. Open all the boxes except the large desktop box. Lay out the items on a soft surface. Now, let's assemble the adjustable beam and legs. Begin by lightly unscrewing the hex bolts from the top of the adjustable beams. Don't remove them completely. One of the beams will have two in the side. Fully remove these as they'll connect the two beams later. Slide the tubes into the adjustable beams and hand tighten the bolts. Position the adjustable beams to form an L shape, ensuring a 90-degree angle at one end. Use the bolts you removed earlier to secure the beams together. For a left-hand orientation, position the beam on the right side. For a right-hand orientation, position it on the left side. Remove the 6 bolts from each leg set. Align the holes on the adjustable beam ends and attach the legs using the bolts. Don't fully tighten them just yet. Make sure the legs are flush against the beam ends. Use the provided hex key to secure the bolts, but leave out the bolts at the leg ends. These will be used to attach the L plates later. Next, attach the feet to the legs. Position the feet facing up and insert 4 bolts from bag B into each leg. Tighten them with the included tool. Repeat this process for the other legs. Attach the L plate by positioning it flush against the back of the adjustable beam. Insert the 2 bolts and fully tighten them. Once the L plate is secure, tighten the bolt connecting the legs to the adjustable beam. Repeat this for the other sides. If the display shows RST, press and hold the down button until the desk reaches its lowest position. For custom settings, press the M button, then press 1, 2 or 3 to save the current desk height. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new Ergo-Rise 2 sit-stand desk.